Hello, this is Jerry Paulson. My wife and I recently returned from a cruise on the Amazon that was organized by Rainforest Cruises. They did an excellent job of working with us to create an itinerary that was very enjoyable. We spent our time on the boat known as the Delfin II and found that to be extremely enjoyable. The food was great, the rooms were spacious, the staff went out of its way in every way possible to make us happy and comfortable. We would certainly recommend using Rainforest Cruises to schedule your trip and sailing on the Delfin II. Enjoy.